Big Bird sings. Snuffy, old pal. Oh, and look who's here. Hey, you come on in too. Come on.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Made it, Bird.
Yeah.
All right, Birdie, where is it?
Right over there, Snuffy.
Oh, wow.
Take a look.
Look at that. It's a scrapbook. I always wondered, Bird.
Well, Snuffy, it says, My Scrapbook by Big Bird.
And you made that all by yourself?
Yes, Snuffy. I put in all my favorite things like pictures of places that I've been, things that I've made, souvenirs.
Oh, wow, the outside is beautiful, Bird. Can we look at the inside?
Snuffy, be my guest.
Oh, boy. This book is a little small for me, Bird. Do you think you could give me a hand?
Oh, you want a little help?
Yeah.
What are friends for? Here we are. This is my 4 collection.
Oh, and there...
Actually, I'm about to do something else about the number 4.
What's that, Bird?
Sing!
Sing?
Yes, sing! Like this.
Oh, Bird, you are so brilliant. I can't wait to see what's in the rest of this scrapbook.
Okay. Snuffy, this is when I went to Japan. Far away from Sesame Street.
As far away as the other side of the park, Bird?
Oh, as far away as the other side of everything. The park, huge mountains, the big ocean. Why, it took a long, long time to get there.
And when you find...
Sing.
Sing?
Huh. Yes, it's how I learned to count and say good morning in Japanese.
You have been to so many exciting places, Bird.
Yeah, and when I look at my scrapbook, it brings everything back to me. Now, this was quite a day.
Oh, Bird?
In school.
In school?
I was visiting, and I felt kind of shy because I didn't know anyone.
Ah, so you spent the day talking to a wastebasket.
Oh, no, I was pretending the wastebasket was a kid so I could practice saying hello. Then I did something that made me feel much better.
What was that?
Sing!
Sing. I should have guessed.
Memories, memories. Ah, here I am in Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Look, China.
Well, you sure get around, Bird. Hold it a minute. I've been there. At my last cabbage, you're not there to slide down the slide.
No, I'm not. I'm there to sing. These are some of my friends.
Oh.
You'd never guess what I like to do when I get together with my friends.
Let me...
Ah, this is me visiting the crows. The people are the crows, Snuffy. They're crow Indians.
Getting ready to ride a horse there.
But why ride a horse when you can sing to it? Even when it's just me and my roller skates.
What?
Sing!
You sing! Oh, wait a minute. I've seen that map before.
Well, I saved it so I'd always remember a great time I had with you, Snuffy.
Oh, it's all coming back to me now, Bird. We used that map to get to Hooper's.
And do you just happen to remember What we did on the way?
Sing!
Yes!
Sing!
Well, now you've seen my scrapbook, Snuffy.
Oh, and it was wonderful, Bird.
Thanks. It was fun for me, too. I love remembering all the great times I've had. So, what should we do now, Snuffy?
Gee, I don't know. What do you want to do, Bird?
I know. I have an idea.
Me too.
I'll bet your idea
Is the same as your idea.
Hey, we can all do it. Let's sing. La 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 la
Bird.
la la
I
la
know
la
that
la
one.
la 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 la.
Yeah.
Sing.
Oh,
La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, you're so good, Snuffy.
la 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 la.
La